So we actually didn't want to make any vlog today, but we decided to go to the MIRUSHA Waterfalls, and hopefully we can find it this time, because the last time when I was with Noah we didn't find the way and we were very hungry, so we just went back home. So maybe this time we can find it. I found a road and they are driving cars in and out, so I think that's the road to the waterfalls. Yeah, let's see.
I mean, it would make good sense if these are the waterfalls. So yeah, MIRUSHA Waterfalls.
Yeah,
would make sense if this is the road, to be honest.
Yeah, also if I look to the map, this road goes to the waterfall.
Yeah.
I really hope it's the correct way.
I mean,
and I hope I don't break my car again because of a road like this, because the last time when I was in Croatia I broke my complete car.
Yeah.
It's already here a pretty beautiful view, but not the roads. The roads are, you can see it's very full of stones and holes. I get flashbacks to Croatia.
He hates driving on
the
these
last
roads,
time I broke my engine and my gearbox. It was a bit expensive to fix. And now my engine, that things that holds the engine in the car, is still a bit broken and only mounted on 2 instead of 3 screws, which means it can easily break again. And I don't want that over 1000 kilometers away from home.
Yeah, just give it some gas and we'll be fine.
So we saw some cars parking here, which means we also left our car here. And now we go and see if we can find them. We go exploring, because everyone leaves their car here and the road down there stops.
There's gonna be like a path to the left of us.
Yeah.
Which may be which may lead to the waterfalls.
Yeah,
I
let's
mean,
see.
we hope that they do.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
We can't even look on our phones where the waterfalls are, or if there is a way, because here's no network. So you can't even call someone or Google something, and that's pretty shit. So we just walk that way and there's already water, so I hope it's the correct way. This already looks so awesome. Someone drove up here just with his motorcycle over there. That's crazy. We can hear it and I think it's over there. It looks good. It looks like the waterfalls. Oh my god, it's it. We found it. Guys, we found it. Look at that. Just wait for it. Oh my god. Right now it's no water coming down from up there, but it already looks so damn nice. Yeah, let's climb up there, because maybe we can get to the top platform.
Just the guys with the motorcycle, or why is it slippy?
Yeah, and it's full of stones. So if you slip away here, it will hurt a lot.
You're perfectly fine, I think.
There's also a ladder. Let's continue our journey.
But I don't know if the water level is high enough.
Yeah, up there.
It's like,
I can zoom in maybe, hopefully you can see it. It's
a
a
diving
platform to jump down. But if the water level is high enough, that's the question. So
I mean, it should be, right?
yeah, let's go up there.
I mean,
Yeah, it's no fresh water coming, so the water is a bit dirty, and
I think the level is not the problem, because otherwise, if it's higher, it would flood. It would flood all of the. What is this restaurant? I don't know.
yeah.
So I think the water level won't be the problem, but it's kind of gross because there's no fresh water coming.
Yeah.
It's just stood there for I don't know how long.
Yeah, maybe because it didn't rain that much in the last days, weeks or whatever. So, but it would still be cool to jump into the water. What is it for a way?
The fuck? I think we get like up the mountain and then cross the waterfall from up there.
Yeah, I hope we can get to the top platform. So we have to climb up there And here it's going down, down, down. I mean, you have this thing to hold, but it's still very crazy. And also the stones itself are very slippery. The view from up here down to the water.
You want to go a little bit more up? Because normally the way goes there.
Yeah, no, here's the way.
I mean, it would look pretty cool, I guess.
Wait.
Yeah, up here.
Damn.
Bro.
That view, okay.
Imagine it being a real waterfall, not just this kind of lake.
If there would come some water.
Come some water in here.
God damn. It's going down so. Oh my god. This is really crazy. That looks also pretty nice. In the meanwhile, we also found the way up to the top platforms, and this looks also, oh my god.
I mean, it looks pretty shit, to be honest. I mean, the water.
The water looks shit, but look, you can still walk up there. There is a way over there.
Wat binnen? Ik het zo af. Yes.
That's pretty nice.
That's pretty fucking cool, huh? Okay, now it's getting a bit out of hand.
Yeah, okay, now it gets crazy as hell.
Bro, what? Alter, wie krass, oder?
Ja.
Achso, da ist. Oh, das ist eine Hängebrücke, wie geil!
Ja, deswegen. Oh Mann.
Das ist chillig. Du kannst mal beim Würfeln die Ecken geben. Ist das ein Kaffee?
Muss man halt schauen, mal.
Insta trash in a jar light? 300.
360.
Yeah.
Yes. When we arrived here, we didn't make any more videos because we just wanted to enjoy it. We met some really nice guys. We had a lot of fun together jumping into the water. The water was a bit cold, and there also was a way where you get even higher up to the mountain, but that was a very, very dangerous way, and we just wanted to stay there. It was so beautiful. We really enjoyed it. And I'm really happy that we found that place. So we are now back in the car, and it was so insane. I mean, you saw the videos. It's very, very beautiful. It was a pretty hard way to get up there, but it's possible. There was also a longer way to get way higher up to the waterfalls, but that way was then almost impossible. And we also didn't want to go up there because we were at that place you could jump in the water, and there were also some pretty nice guys. Yeah.
Yeah, they were really pretty.
They were beautiful. I loved it. What? It was really, really cool. But that's it with today. We are just now going to Hyperactive at the Pristina Mall to go for some to go for some go-karting and Hyperstrike and other stuff. We will make some videos, but we won't talk anything. But anyways, we will show you the videos from there, and then we continue on the next day. See you in the next part.